Morning, good morning. I was swinging my mic over and the whole mic stand just decided to fall off. I don't really know what that was all about, but it happened. But we're okay. We're alive. We're all good. GDC, Clarity, Steve, how we doing? All right. Let's actually get set up on the NQ today for the opening. Let's see. So which one am I on now? NQU 24. Is that even a thing? NQ. I don't even know which one it is. NQ options. Where's the futures? Equities options. Where? I don't even see futures. Oh, is it just under here? Am I blind? Future. Oh, okay. I think it's XCME. So under here. Here's the NQ. Okay, here it is. All right. So not really sure how I feel about where we're at. It appears we're trying to go back up today. If you scroll out, we're towards the top part of the range here. So maybe I look, let's see what I can't, it's not letting me trade. Can I not trade? Oh God, here we go. All right, just take me back to where I was, please. Of course, now it's not gonna be able to find it. Look, it's not letting me mouse trade for some reason. I'm gonna miss it. Damn it. Why can't I trade? I'm gonna try something stupid here, maybe. Just to see if it works. Nope, I can't even hit the button. It's not locked. I tried to hit the bid there after that first. I was gonna just go the opposite way, whatever way it flushed, because, you know, typically that's kind of what happens. But had we had our brackets in, that would have worked, I think. I don't know. Yeah, looks like it. I don't know. It would have been close. All right. Well, now I need to figure out why I can't even trade. I was fine when I was on the MNQ, but now that I'm on the NQ of the same, it says I'm on the same one, so it should be allowing me to, but it's not. It was this one. Futures. Let's go back to the MNQ and see if it allows me. Oh, you know why? Because I clicked this top one, I think, and it was supposed to be this one. Let me see on the NQ if that is the case, just so I know for tomorrow. I think it was supposed to be the U24, right? Yep. Damn it. Alright. Okay. Alright, well, now we know for tomorrow. No opening trade for me today. So we gotta make sure we're on... I'm gonna actually make a video today at some point, I think, because they just went live with the Quantower for my funded futures through DX feed, which actually, let me double check before I keep spitting that out there. They told me it was live. Let me double check just to make sure. And then we'll get everything ready for DCA start challenge. Starter, choose. It is in there. Okay. So it's actually under Quantower, which is even better. Okay. Perfect. All right, let's get back on MNQ. So it's kind of my fault for not getting on here earlier and checking that. Did that very last second. All right, back to 2. I wouldn't have taken this trade. I already had this level kind of eyed out, so I would have been looking for below here anyway. Especially this close to the open, I'm obviously going to be a little careful. Don't want to get too ahead of myself. Yeah, it was the wrong symbol. A little frustrating. Next 2 days are flip days for you? Why is that? Wait, oh, fast track trading. So, funny story about fast track trading. I actually am thinking about grabbing an account. Right now for the 25K accounts, you can get them for $91.29. I'm staring at it on my other tab. That's pretty awesome considering they have almost no rules. I can still trade the micros up to 20, which should be plenty for what I'm doing. And it's a funded account. So it's like, it's very tempting. $91. And I think I could take out up to 2,000 after 5 days, as long as I'm within like the consistency rule. They're not gonna be able to maintain what they're doing. There's no way. Because what's to stop people from loading up on 20 of these $90 accounts and getting them all to pay out? All those people that Apex were having a problem with, the people that were DCAing on Apex, they're just going to be doing it there. And they don't even have to go through the evaluation process. That's a joke. Like there's no way they can withstand that. It's just not gonna, there's no way. Yeah, you can have 20 accounts and you can just buy them. So they're funded immediately. That's what I'm saying. For $91 and whatever it was, 29 cents right now, you can get a funded account that in 5 days you can get a payout. That's why they're doing payouts like all the effing time, because people are they're just probably abusing the system. Which I did sign up for their affiliate program, so I'm just saying, like, if you want to help a brother out. Oh, is it 20? I thought they were 40. Or is that I'm just thinking of my funded futures. Really expecting this to go green to red here. Actually, I wanted to check. JD absolutely fucking free-falled yesterday. I don't understand why. No, I don't think anybody really understood why. Let's see if there's any news on it now. Weak sales. Apparently, they just reported that they're having weak sales. JD fully utilizes authorized amount of $3 billion for share repurchase. Well, isn't that supposed to be a bullish thing? That was only 2 hours ago, though. Walmart sells stake in JD.com. Oh, maybe that was it. Yeah, so that's what it was. Walmart sold their stake in JD. Walmart offloads JD.com stake for $3.6 billion. Oh, so that's what it was. Thought I read something. Oh, yep. That's, yeah, it really isn't. Well, yeah, considering Walmart said they're going to sell it off and that's what they're talking about rebuying. Like, it's obviously not that much in consideration. Wait, what? Trading with Travis is back? His thing says he's going live at 9:45. Well, looks like we're just kind of chopping here, so we will chill until I can take this off. So yeah, the whole fast track trading thing is I don't know. It's very tempting. I'd be surprised if we don't come back down and retest this red to green. We're that close. Usually when you're that close, you tend to try it. Although if we can see the high and the low all in one shot here. I mean, we're only, that's really not that far. What is that? 80 points. So we're within an 80-point range all day so far today. That's like including the entire morning. Usually we're well over 100. Fast Track doesn't take credit cards. Interesting. Are you sure? I feel like I remember. Let me see. I'm gonna hit proceed to checkout. I'm just gonna see what it tells me. ACH wire transfer or cryptocurrency payment. Wow. All right, never mind. I'm not doing all that. Crypto, huh? It just has that has fun times written all over it. Do they accept Dogecoin? Apparently, it says crypto. Yeah, it makes you wonder why don't they have card payments? All right, here we go. We're headed right to the highs here. Let's pay attention. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna get rid of that. I didn't know that they didn't. I never went through to the actual point. Am I on the right account? I wasn't even on the right account. I never went through to the actual payout window. I didn't know that. Thank you for the heads up. Robert the Macadamia Nut, what's going on? Josh 808, what's going on? Rayu, how you doing? Stock Butcher. Obviously, we're going to look for the pop through here for the retest. Oh, didn't quite get there. Marbles is live. It is live. You just have to head over to Twitch chat and type !play. This is the track that we'll play first. It looks kind of cool. We have not played it before, so I don't know if it actually is cool, but... And as always, if we can get up to 50 people and 50 likes on YouTube, we'll, or I guess it could be 50 over on Twitch for that matter, huh? but I want to see the likes on YouTube. Jason, what's going on? My plan is, as of right now, to pass all these evals on my funded futures. They're already paid for, which they will then be lifetime accounts, and get to pay out on them and just keep these accounts. That's the idea. When Apex comes out with 90% again, I will be grabbing some more Apex accounts. I just simply don't have them right now because they were 80% and now they're 71%, which there is not a chance in the world I ever pay 71%, knowing that they do 80% and 90% at some point. I do not plan on building or I do not plan on not building a buffer. I would like to keep the accounts. So the idea... Just thought I heard some weird ass sound. I plan on building a nice buffer before taking any kind of a payout.
And I forgot something, and it was please see this.
Nona 1, Mommy 2, Daddy 3, Camden 4. What's it for?
To see who was last before.
Ah.
But it wasn't time, so
Yeah, I remember you. Yeah, I remember you were writing those down. Thank you for showing me. Yeah, Ray, you kind of keep saying that, but now that I see that they don't, like, I don't want to hook up my bank info just to pay. Hey, there's Travis. Now I got him and Methodical in the background. Do you think most future firms will move to fast track model where there is no eval? So I have been saying that for a long time, that would be something amazing. I did not think that it would be, they would offer it as cheap as they are. The fact that you can get in for 91, we'll just say $92 is insane. There's no way that model lasts. Because they're going to get taken advantage of. It's a big move up here. Just like Apex was getting taken advantage of when they had all their rules in place, Fast Track Trading is basically saying no rules except for 20% consistency. They're going to get taken advantage of. Yeah, Jason, I don't agree. Like, I mean, it is a business after all, right? I mean, they do have to have a way to make money. If they just gave you infinite tries and you only had to pay once, that doesn't really make sense, huh? Like they would, that model wouldn't work either. I don't think that we'll get to the point where everyone's doing it like Fast Track Trading. I think all these other companies are definitely watching Fast Track Trading right now, and they're going to see how it pans out. But I think they're all thinking the same thing I am, that there's no way they can withstand it. I mean, if people had to pay like the actual prices that they have on their website and not 49, 50% off of that, then it's just, then that I could understand, right? Because then you could probably pay for all the people coming in from the people that are failing. But you're offering, what is that? You're offering 20 accounts for less than $2,000, and all they have to do is get the payout on one of those accounts to pay for all 20 accounts. Think of that. Oh, pay for funded. Yeah, I mean, I don't see that being a problem. I think that if there is a place that can make it work, it's just going to have to be more expensive than you want to pay for to go straight to funded. That is not a big enough pop. Come on. I don't even think that's 20 ticks. And it's barely 20 ticks. Did make a new high though, so there's that. Some companies have cheap evals and then straight to funded, but way more expensive. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They have to be. You have to be more expensive if you're going to do straight to funded, because you're not able to weed out that eval stage. If people just get, like, think of how many people get lucky during the eval stage, but then get to the funded stage and can't do it again, right? But now if you just, they only have to get lucky once, and it's for almost the same cost you would pay anyway, then why wouldn't you do that? Like, think of this, $91. Now, granted, that this is a $25 or $92. This is a 25K account, not a 50K account. So if you go to the cheapest account on Apex, while it's a 90% off sale, it's what, $100, whatever the 25K account is. I think it's like $100 if you pass. It's like $12 and then 85, so like $97. You can skip the eval stage and go straight to a funded account for the same price, and you don't have to do the eval. That makes no sense. How is that a good model? Like, if Apex is struggling with the eval model, then how are they gonna make it work without an eval? Like, it doesn't make any sense to me. Well, you're always going to have those people, Rayu. You're always going to have those people. But at the same time, you can't count on that, right? Because you're going to have too many. Like I just said, right now you can buy 20 of those accounts for less than $2,000. All you need is a payout on one of those accounts, just one, and you make all that money back. And then you're essentially free rolling 19 accounts. That's insane. And every part of me would love to do that, but at the same time, I am just not in a financial position to shell out that kind of money in hopes that it works. And I don't feel that confident in my strategy right now that I have an edge that would work. Because think about all the people, think about all the, we'll just call them semi-professionals, or just professionals in general that have an edge. Like, they know what they're doing is working. They see these prop firms and they're like, wait a minute, they're going to give me this kind of capital and allow me to take these kind of payouts, and all I have to do is pay $92. Like, to them, they're like, is this a joke? And that's what they were doing to Apex. And that's why Apex had to change their rules, because they were getting taken advantage of. And it's going to be the same thing with fast track trading. It's just a matter of time before they realize that they're either going to go bankrupt or they're going to rug pull and they're going to disappear with all this money that you're paying in crypto, or they're gonna have to make changes. There's three options there. There's no way what they're doing is gonna last forever. It can't. What's the old saying? I mean, if it smells like fish, looks like fish, tastes like fish, it's probably fish. Because unlike Apex, they actually take people live. APA, no, they don't. No, they don't. They're brand new, first off. And on top of that, show me the proof. Where's the proof? Show me. If you show me proof that that's happening, I ask their CEO. Come on. The same CEO that's going... the same... Hold on, I just posted. This is the same CEO that posted in their Discord. Hold on, I'll read it verbatim. If it's still there. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, here it is. This is the CEO, the Scott Trieste guy. I am pleased to announce that Danielle and I will be getting married this weekend. That said, we will not be processing payments on Friday. Please have your requests in by market open 8:26 morning, and we will get them done. On another aside, another company that doesn't proofread, I'm suspending Wednesday, Friday payments for the next 2 weeks, and we'll be processing them every day while we manage this next FTT growth cycle. So he's processing payments himself, and because he's getting married, just said, you know what, company's gotta just stop for a day or two. Like, if that's not a red flag, the only reason I was willing to possibly jump in is because the price was right. And until they change the rules, you know, why not try to take advantage of it? Or his wife is the secretary. Once Tradeovate and NJ, what's NJ, are active in credit card payments, there will be no more discounts, at least applied to those Tradeovate accounts or credit card. Oh, I got you. Well, yeah, I'm not saying that they're not paying out. I've never said that. And yeah, that's what I'm saying, Cody. I keep telling everybody that. Ride it until it's gone, because it'll be gone at some point. They're gonna have to change. It's just that simple. I agree Apex's payout cycle is crap, but the difference being they pay immediately when they process them. I got paid in less than 6 hours after submitting a payout. Yeah, so my funded futures is the same way from what I'm not propping my funded futures. I'm just saying, like, I agree that Apex is crap when it comes to the payouts. I don't really understand what their deal is. The only thing Apex has going for them is the amount of accounts you can have, as well as just the price when they have the 90% off. If you're paying more than the 90% off, then I don't know what to tell you. I mean, 80% is okay, but I'm not buying any of their accounts unless they're 90% off. My funded futures is by far the best. You get a 50K account for $76 all in. It's the easiest thing ever. Bro has a MFF sponsor. What do you mean? Me? I'm not sponsored by MFF. I wish they paid me money to... Dude, I'm waiting for a prop firm to pay me money. Hope they don't go anywhere soon. I have 20 accounts with FTT now. Nice. That's what I'm saying. Like, all you need, if you get one $2,000 payout with them, you reinvest that. You can just right now, you can essentially have 20 accounts for less than that $2,000. It's kind of crazy. Part of me still wants to possibly try, just because it's pretty good. $92 to already be in the funded account. It's pretty crazy. Yeah, he said he did up higher. I've seen plenty of people getting paid from Fast Track. I'm not saying that they're not paying. That's not at all what I'm saying. I'm just saying that they're not going to be able to withstand the current model that they have going. If you really think about it, it's exactly what Apex did. Apex brought in all their people with a current set of rules. They were letting rules slide. They were doing all this crap. And then once they had the big user base, they were like, oh yeah, we got to change the rules. And now they have so many people that are still left over that are still there. So we'll see. We'll see.
You gotta give him that hook.
I think
spit on that thing.
You might have it. Log into your My Funded Futures account. I think I had. I was telling him we wanted to wait until they went live, and they just went live yesterday. So hold on, let me actually message him. If it's not there, it will be there whenever he gets on.
This is the future.
You gotta give him that hook too and spit on that thing. You get me?
This is the future. Revolution.
Yeah, it should just pop up like you would have an account there. But I just messaged him, so once he's on and lets me know, I'll let you know. Straight to funding, I believe is the future if people are willing to pay for it. Because that's the thing. Just looking for that retest down here. A little bit more. Not even looking for the full retest here. Come on.
This is the future.
Come on.
Human error.
Come on. There we go. What's the start challenge thing? So start challenge is how you buy the accounts. But you don't need to do that. You should have one just pop up. But like if you wanted to add an account at some future time, that's where you would do it.
Revolution.
Yep, Marbles is live. Track is ready. Looks like nobody's on it yet. All you gotta do is head over to Twitch chat, !play. Who wants to be the first marble? You guys head there every day. I'll have it loaded up once the stream starts. So if you guys want to start entering. And like I said, if we can get 50 people on the track, we'll do a giveaway. I'll just do it that way. I won't even do like I need 50 likes or 50 viewers. I just need to get 50 people on the track. We'll do the giveaway. For the money. So if you want to sit there and make 50 accounts, go for it. But they all have to, you know what? I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll have to look at the concurrent viewers. Because I remember the one time we did that. Froggo, first one on the track. Let's go. By the way, while you're over there, if you do have Amazon Prime, you can link your Amazon Prime and you can sub to me over on Twitch. Just a heads up. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I don't know where the viewers went. They just said, peace out. I think that was just all because of the Alpine stuff. And then they realized I'm not as entertaining as Alpine because I'm not constantly risking 20 accounts, etc. All right, heading higher here. Whoa, what the fuck was that? Oh, was there news? Was there news at 10? Of course, the day that I didn't check. Wednesday, 10:30. No, there's no news. What the hell was that? There we go. 51 ticks. That was nice. I was hoping we got a little bit closer to the highs, but the price action was not letting it. Take that. That was a good trade right there. There was something at 10:30. I said the same thing. Yeah, that was crazy. Prelim annual payrolls revision? That would make it move like that? The only thing that I see is 8:30. There was something, then crude oil inventory is at 10:30, and then there's FOMC meeting minutes, but that's at 2 o'clock. That was nutty. I'll pull it all the way back. We'll see what we do from here. I have a YouTube on comp and Twitch on phone. Oh no. There you go. There's apps for both. Make it a little easier on yourself. I'm in stereo. Just put me up on the 60-inch, baby. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Heading back up there. Pretty strong move. Where are we going? 20K today? Going back to 20K? The world, we were in a recession. The world was going to crap, what, 2 weeks ago? now we're just going back to the highs. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. 60, it's 90 in the living room. Do you really have a 90-inch TV? NQ doesn't care about the world. It's not just the NQ, man. It's the entire market. Like, take a look at it's everything. SPY. Look, the SPY is actually almost back to the highs. Look at this. There. So if you look at the NQ, the NQ is what from the bottom of that. Here, let's just. Where's the old fibs? Oh, I don't think that's what I meant. Which one are the fibs? No, that's not what I want. I want fibbies. Where are the fibs? Show me the fibs. No, get off my screen. There we go. Fib retracement. Let's see. No, I did it backwards. So yeah, go top to bottom. So we're what, like 70, a little over 70% of the way. Go over to the SPY. Go over to the SPY where, is this like almost 90%? It's pretty crazy.
Oh, you gotta give him that huck too and spit on
Morning,
that
Karen.
thing. You get me?
Top to bottom, that's what she said. Okay. I've thought about shifting my desk. I'm not sure though. I wonder if it would even fit that way. Could even put the green screen back up if I did though. Something to think about. Karen, thanks for the follow. I'm assuming that's over on Twitch. It has to be because I don't have it set up anywhere else. Exclamation point play over on Twitch chat if you want to play marbles. Got 6 people in there. We end up with 50 people over on Twitch and 50 people in the marbles race. We'll play for money. Play some marbles for money. Money, money, money. Money, money, money. Yeah, I think I don't get a lot of people watching me because I don't trade as much as some of the other peeps, which is fine. I'm not here for my ultimate goal is to make money from trading. So that's all there is to it. If people don't want to watch somebody that is trying to do that and is boring, then I can't help you there. I'm just trying to find a way to make money consistently. It's what it's all about. It's what it's always been about. I hear it all the time, like, oh, you should just do what they're doing and make money, make more money from affiliates. And it's like, yeah, but that's not who I want to be. It's just not who I want to be. I like boring. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, do you want someone that's just here to talk to you and kind of just shoot the shit to get through the day because trading can be boring? Then I'm your guy. But if you're looking for someone to entertain you from like winging around accounts, I'm not your guy. There's no other way to put it. It's just not who I am, and I'm not going to be that person. I mean, I might go on tilt every once in a while, as you guys have seen. But overall, that's not who I am. I just hear because you got a pineapple at your front door. Well, Siapa, I personally pride myself on being authentic, so I think you found someone that is definitely authentic. That's is MFM current promo better than Apex to get to a funded account? Who is MFM? Is it upside down? Is what upside down? Oh, the pineapple. MFF, My Fun of Futures? Yeah, I mean, the current promo, I think a lot of people's current promo is better than Apex because Apex is only 71% off, which is fairly expensive. Right now, with My Fun of Futures, you pay more up front. But if you're trying to trade it as a real account, like you're not just blowing through the evals to get to the funded accounts, then it's going to be way cheaper. The cheapest you can get a 50K Apex account is $103, correct? 17, yeah, 17 plus 85. $103 right now with My Fun of Futures. Well, always, like the way that they have it set up, this is just their normal price. It says $80, but if you use the code, you get $76. It's $76, and that's a lifetime account. That's it. You paid that up front, you pass the eval, you keep that account as long as it's there. 76 bucks. There's no better deal out there right now than My Fun of Futures. Even the only thing that you could consider better is right now with Fast Track Trading. They have, it's like $92 and you go straight to funded. That's a 25K account. I don't know. I think the 50K account is actually much more than that. Let me see. If you want to check these prices, I'll post it in the chat. That's the link. That is with my referral attached to it, obviously, but it'll show you the price. I'm not trying to get you to sign up. I'm just, that way you don't have to enter a code or anything. It'll just show you the price. So if I click that, yeah, that's the 25K. And then I think if you hit the X, you can return to the shop. Let's see if it, okay, buy now 50K. Let's see if it just shows right up. Okay, it doesn't. Wonder, I don't think I have like an actual code. 4355. Let's just type that and see what happens. No. So I would have to actually, how does that work? Trying to make new highs here. I am paying attention. Just checking this out at the same time. Profile. It just gives me a link. It doesn't give me... I wonder, let's see. Yeah, oh, wait. Okay, it didn't work. Does it not work for that, for the 50K accounts? Let's see, deals. It says it does. The Rally, Daytona, and Grand Prix, 49%. But it's not showing that. Your affiliate identifier is 4355, but I don't have a code, so they want me to use the link. But if I give you the link and you click it, or maybe because it's my link, I don't know. Well, yeah, My Fund of Futures is actually, they pride themselves on the payouts. So like with the affiliate side of things, when I requested a payout with them, when they sent it, it was in the Rise account, which they send it to, same day. And then I withdrew that and it was in my account the next day. So Rise is really fast as well. So the payouts with My Fund of Futures are next to none. Supposedly, Take Profit Trader, that's who Travis uses. They, whoa, there's the dump back down. They have like daily payouts. So I shouldn't have done this, but let's see if we can just get this small retest here. There we go. I should have let that go. I really shouldn't have been in that trade, but that was too fast. The only time I had a chance to get in was up here, which is kind of the mistake I just made. It was 30 ticks though. Okay. I really want to know. I don't even know someone else's code for fast track trading. Okay, there it is. So, wait, that's not 49% off though. Here, let me just use their code. FTT wedding. All right, so it's, yeah, so for a 50K account, it's $229. That's 49% off. That's crazy. That's a lot. They have to. So that means if they have full price, like if they're not given a discount, it's $450 if you want to go straight to funded on a 50K account. That means you would only get 4 attempts basically to get to a $2,000 payout to make your money back. That's rough. But when they're running these sales and you can get a 25K account for $93, that's insane. I don't even know how we got on track talking about that, but I don't know. The whole I don't know if it was news. I don't know. I think it was just that it didn't go higher and they just let it go. Morning, Knives. So far we missed the opening trade because we couldn't figure out the NQ. We were trying to switch to the NQ so we didn't pay so much in commissions. And we've taken 1, 2, 3 trades on the DCA account. We're up $109 at the moment. Because I wasn't prepared. That is true. Just feed Knives. Feed them the fuel. How can they survive? I don't know. That was my point. I don't see how fast track trading can survive with their current model. I've been saying that for weeks now. It doesn't make any sense. And that was when I thought it was 40% consistency. So they have a little bit more of a chance with it being 20% consistency because they can start denying payouts if they really want to, probably. But on MFF, it says gross 1896 and realized 697. How can that be? Commissions. That would be your commissions. I've been trading so long, get better. Well, usually I just type in NQ and I hit front month and it worked. But for some reason with the My Fund of Futures, you had to find the XCME and then you had to make sure it was the right quarter. Oh, this is actually going to go straight back up. Crazy. Travis's internet is horrible. It keeps cutting out. I was only like 10 micros. Just one trade, 10 micros? That doesn't make any sense. There was a lot of volume in there. Have I tried the super trend indicator? Nope, sure haven't. I've tried a lot of indicators in my trading career and they all are just that, indicators. It was that dump and multiple one ads. It shouldn't have. Are you talking? Or were they min? Oh no, you said micros. I don't know, man. That sounds extreme. I mean, you can see I have 117 gross and 109 after the fact. I mean, you shouldn't have lost $1,200 in commissions. I thought that was just from you like scalping all morning. Hey, stay. Don't leave me. I'm just kidding. Yeah, he was on. But yeah, his internet has been junk. It keeps cutting in and out, and this time it looks like it completely cut him offline. Yeah, he was on for like 32 minutes. I had him in the background. He actually got long right around here, like 875. Financial juice say for me, BLS payrolls revision scheduled for 10. Not out yet. I'm on Central. Okay, so that's at 1 o'clock. Or no, Central. That's 11 o'clock. I see anything that's not Eastern, I just assume West Coast. Yeah, I don't even see that on my... I just use Forex Factory. I feel like that's what most people use. Yeah, the next thing I see is at 10:30, which is coming up, which is crude oil. Oh yeah, is Bulenox? I think Bulenox 90% off sale ended, didn't it? Let me see. I don't want to be giving out false info. Although Methodical still says 90. Yeah, it's... Oh wow, they extended that to the 27th. So Bulenox is good until the 27th if you're interested in them still. Bulenox, man, they need to come out with a cheaper way to fund. They either need to lower the lifetime costs to stay relevant, or they need to give a monthly option. Switch to financial juice. Let me pull them up, see what it looks like. Financial use. All right, so on mine it says 10 o'clock, and I'm Eastern. PLS, prelim annual payrolls revision. So I wonder if that's what that was. So maybe it's telling you market time, even though you're central. VWAP doing work today? Yeah, I don't have VWAP. I don't believe in VWAP. I mean, it's there, and I know it gets used some days, but if you just scroll back, there's so many days where you can just see it doesn't do anything. This is very hard to read. Well, I guess as long as you stay on the left here. On the right side is a news list with more information. Well, mine's on the left side. Here, I'll just show you. So mine comes up over here. But yeah, see, it says 10 o'clock for me as well, and I'm Eastern. So I wonder if it's using market time. Scroll down.
Put the rest of the donuts in here. This is a sour cream. I'll put the rest of it. They each had 2. I have taken one downstairs.
They are 8-2 already?
They're eating their second one. So, glazed chocolate vanilla, Boston, sour cream.
Oh, I love it. That's the problem. Thank you. Didn't I just tell you the doctor said my cholesterol's high? I'm just kidding. So I still don't see it. Too far, the red highlight. Oh, are you talking about this? 10. Oh, it says not out yet. I got you. It also says it's only 10:14. I mean, I will, yeah. Yeah, just put it. Yeah, just like up above the sink is where I've been putting them, just so I remind myself to grab them. And it is for 9:14 for me. Interesting. It says 10 a.m. It's scheduled for 10 a.m. Eastern, like you said. That's interesting. This move happened at 10, so I feel like something happened. Interesting. Estimated, yeah. I got you. Yeah, well, I'll have to keep an eye on that. I have an answer, as my mom would always tell me. Well, my mom would always say that, but I always say, I always say, what's your question? And because I don't always know the answer. If I don't know the answer, I always try to find it. That's the way to do it. Saying I have an answer is just like a way of saying you're going to say something regardless. Those lines on your chart, what are they? They print automatically. What are they? The yellow ones or the red and green ones? Yellow? So those, I have too many. I'm manually putting those on there with a hotkey. They're just horizontal lines. So the reason, as a move is happening, so like I'll put one here at the high and like the low here, and I'll even put one here because I'm basically just drawing support and resistance lines. Like you could, if you go left here, you can see this is resistance and support now. So I'm just drawing key areas so that when it goes through those areas, I'm looking for retests of those areas. Like these are areas I'd be interested in a trade, essentially. But like say this started the drop and it made this little low. I'm looking for a big pop through for a retest. If it comes through and fakes out higher like this, I'm now going to draw a new line here because now my new area of interest for it to go through and retest is there. So that's how I end up with like a bunch of little lines next to each other. Karen, over on Twitch, !play. Or is that just your way of saying you want to play? Because I see that you've done it over there already. Karen Donovan, Donovan McNabb, same person, or their husband and wife. I don't know. They won't tell me. Yeah, yeah, I'm pretty quick with it. I have it set to a hotkey, so like I can be on the screen, and I just click a button and press, and we're good to go. Joss, what's going on? How are you doing? You're already in there, Karen. I'm just not playing just yet. We only got 8 people on the... Oh, it was 6, so some people snuck in there. Visible ID got in there. Who's the other person? Someone else got in there. Somebody hide behind here. Steez. I think Steez was the other one. Yeah, Steez. We're not doing marbles yet. I was just showing people who were on the track already. No, no, it's not !marbles. You guys got to go over to the Twitch chat and type !play. I will post it. Oh, I will pin it here. There's the link. I will pin it. I will try to pin it if I can figure out how. It's not letting me. There we go. What if we don't have Twitch? Then you can't win money. I'm sorry. It's so much easier for me to do it this way. No one wants to go to Twitch. Is it really that bad? It's just so much easier for me. It's so much easier for me as a streamer. You guys are abusing me. Yes.
Can you get me some juice?
Yeah. Yeah. All right, here, let's run a poll. All right, I feel like there's only 20 people here on YouTube, but let's run a poll. Let's run it. How do I run a poll? There we go. Start a poll. Marbles on Twitch or YouTube? We'll run it until like 11 or something. I don't know. I already know what the answer is going to be, apparently. But we'll see. We'll see. You never know. You never know. You never know. Ten of those are me, by the way. Oh, son of a... What the heck is going on? Oh. Some crazy... Oh, is this 10:30? Oh, no, it's after 10:30. This isn't even the crude oil, unless they just released it. I don't even know where I'm at. I should have just took that. It said 37. I'm up higher than I need to be here. Just looking for that retest. Come on. Just gonna take it off there. Looks like we would have got it. I don't know for sure. Our order was like right there, so I'll be happy with it. We ended up getting... What did we get out of that? No, that's not what I wanted to do. Shh, shysters. Why did it move the whole screen like that? It was only supposed to move this. It's moving the whole screen now. That's annoying. All right, well, all I need is this column here. So 49 ticks. We got 49 ticks out of that. And I think I was sitting at 50. I don't know what it was. It was 50 something. All right, so it looks like we would have got it. We would have had to wait. We would have had to go through drawdown again, though. Yo, why is Twitch winning? Husband and wife? I love it. Nvidia's dumping? Oh, that could be why. Hey, where is the option? I don't care. Donovan said, hey, what's up? We are taking our new daughter, our new daughter, our daughter to school. Yeah, my kids, they start Monday. I'm like sad but excited at the same time. I'm excited for them to go back to school. Not so much that they're going back to school. But I'm sad because it's been nice. Like when I get off the stream, I've been with them pretty much the rest of the day, and it's been nice. I will say I've been soaking it in, knowing that they're going back to school, and now that we got the pool, scrubbing the pool, by the way, sucks. I have to do it apparently for a whole month, twice a day, and it takes like an hour each time. It's ridiculous. I'm not a fan of that, but we can get in on Saturday, so I'm pretty excited. We have to wait 5 days to get in. Did I show you guys on stream the pool yet? Let me show you that, and then I have to do something. I am essentially the pool boy now. Donovan can't get Twitch to work with his phone. Man, all right. You know what? I think I'm just gonna... It's close. Now YouTube's winning. All right, I'm just gonna end it. YouTube wins, right? All right, YouTube wins, 52%. 21 votes too. I didn't even realize that many people were in here. All right, let's bring it back. Let's bring it back to YouTube. Because we've only been doing single races anyway. One of the main reasons was because it's not only was it easier, but it was also better for me to I could do the Grand Prix and we could use the different marbles, which I hadn't set up yet. But I do still have everything set up to do it on YouTube. I just have to actually do it. All right. You are, but I'm gonna here. We'll run that race just for fun, real quick, and then I'll switch it all back. I'm very curious to what that like vortex looking thing is. Look, GDT, this one was made for you. Playing cards. I am still gonna run Twitch, but I just won't do it for marbles. That way we can just get more people involved, hopefully. Down the roller coaster. This looks like a roller coaster, kinda like a mousetrap. Whee! It's only a single lane, so no one can pass until we get in here. Looks like GDT's in the lead currently. To the split. We're going to the vortex. Oh, GDT got passed. He's a founder, baby. Let's go. One of the OGs. Oh, no catch-up factor really yet. Karen, well, Market Froggo said, I'll show you your catch-up factor. All right, here we go. What is this? Okay, you go over into a shark's mouth. I did not see that coming. All right, straight down. and around. Got GDT and Froggo. So no catch-up factor just yet. We still got quite a race to go. The world record is a minute. What? Hold on, guys. Can I pause this? Are you seeing the market right now? I don't know if this is good because I didn't see the move happen. That's 40 ticks? Oh, jeez. Hopefully we can just get a retest of this candle. And then we can go right back to the marbles race. If I see 20, I'm just going to take it. But I'm hoping we get the shot down to the bottom of this candle. Oh, it says 19. Not quite. Come on, come on. Alright. Oh, I wonder if I got 20 there. I did. I got exactly 20. Okay. Alright. Looks like Froggo took the lead. I don't know if there was any catch-up factor. I didn't have it up quite. So it looks like I made the right move to get out there. I was trying to head higher as of right now. Oh, maybe not. GDT trying to catch back up. Oh no, don't go backwards. Oh, Karen said, hello, bye-bye. Alright, so there hasn't been any like real catch-up factor, but I guess just the way you take the path. Because now Trader 808. We are now past... Is this it? Is this the end? It is. Maybe? Yep, Trader 808 with the win. Froggo second place. Karen third place. Steez going for fourth. Yep. So once you're in there, so there really was no catch-up factor. But at the same time, there was not much going on. So it looks like we would have got our fill had we kept it down there. All right. Final results. Winner, Trader 808, the last Twitch one for the time being. The U.S. economy created more than 800,000 fewer jobs than originally reported. Jesus. No, they're lying to us? What? Yeah, the market's making like some crazy, like random moves. You watch Twitch ads for nothing? Yep. You sure did. And so we got the retest. So this is why I draw those lines. That's all I'm looking for. I'm looking for a retest. So when it blows through an area, the odds are it's going to retest before it either bounces back up and continues or continues down lower. Like it goes back into the range. So that's the idea behind my trades. All right. So Twitch. All right. So how now I have to remember how I even set it up. It actually should already be running. Let's see. Should pop up. There it is. All right. So now exclamation point marbles into the YouTube chat. Or we're back to YouTube. Exclamation point marbles. And it won't put you on the track. Now we'll have to wait until we go over. I have to custom put you onto the track. Steve, everyone was complaining, man. Everyone said they want YouTube back. So now we're playing on YouTube again. The people have spoken.
Oh, you gotta give him that
I am no dictator.
and spit on that thing.
I am just a man of the people. Did Travis ever come back? He did.
Oh, you gotta give him that huck and spit on that thing. You get me?
Wow, I was joking when I said 20,000 earlier, but it looks like that's exactly where we're going. And you can't get scammed on Twitch? I'll do my due diligence, but you are right. That was actually a really big plus of doing it on Twitch is I could literally just whisper the winner. I'll just have to make sure I do it right. Yeah, how do we not go to 20,000 here? It'd be really weird that we don't. I'm kind of not liking the fact that I'm in this. 20,000 is probably a magnet at this point. Yeah, I can't even get the bottom of the candle there for 20 ticks. Yeah, this is gonna have to be patient here. These candles are actually a little bit bigger than they were prior. So we got to keep that in mind as well. So we're gonna at least get the retest of the bottom of this candle. Yeah, this feels like it wants higher. This feels like one of those crazy moves. One of them ones where it just doesn't even attempt to pull back. See what it does here if we can break that candle. Come on, do it. Do it. Bounce right off the average. Blah. And come on, get the extra push through that candle. Go, 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 go. Come on, give us the extra push. Extra push. Nope. Damn it. I was going to hit flatten, but at no point did I feel like if I hit flatten, I was going to be where I needed to be. I was like right at break even each time. Give it one more shot here. I was hoping when we broke this candle, we would just get the shove back down. Come on, try to lower. Try lower. Come on, come on, come on. The odds are if we go higher than this candle, we're going back to the highs, so I'm just going to stop out there. Shove it. Hold on, bro. Come on, shove it. It feels like it wants higher still. So close to getting in, getting our fill there, but we're just a little too low. Let's see if we were right though, if we're gonna continue higher. Gave back 52 there. What do you need, bro?
Dada,
Yes.
I have a question.
Yes.
Are you going to my, like, the thing that I'm going to tomorrow?
What thing are you going to tomorrow?
The school thing.
Oh, the back to school thing or whatever?
Sneak peek.
Sneak peek? Yeah. Yeah, of course. That's frustrating. The odds are if we start to curl back up there, we're going to test higher. This time, it wanted to shove it in my face a little bit. That's frustrating. All right, I'll be right back. Ray, can you let me be for a sec? I mean, you're fine. I'm just trying to pay attention.
Just waiting for you to do marbles.
To do what? I'm not gonna be doing it right this second, okay?
No, I'm not waiting.
Oh man.
You just walk right out the door. Don't wanna do this anymore. Now I'm lost without you. You drive me crazy out my mind. How'd you do this every time? Now I'm lost without you. Used to be the one I talk to when I'm sad. Can't you see now tainted love is all we have? Our issues run so deep, now when I try to sleep I feel so bad. I should leave and by the time it's done I'll be gone. You're so distant when you're home, always hanging by your phone. Do I even know you? And I get paranoid sometimes, 'cause I know that you ain't mine, and I'm lost without you. Used to be the one I talk to when I'm sad. Can't you see now tainted love is all we have?
It was a daily loss limit, Steve. Yes, Brayden. No, I am not almost done. What are you asking? No, I'm probably not going to play marbles. I'm not playing.